Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Sheryl and I love home decor and decorating with style on a budget. And if that is something you are into as well, I would appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. Budget-friendly ways to decorate your home, well, Yita Home has you covered. They offer furniture, they offer storage solutions, gaming chairs, and home office accessories. And they were gracious enough to partner with me to provide a file storage cabinet for my daughter to use in her home office. The storage cabinet is a very nice, affordable option for you to use in your home office. It has 3 drawers and 2 cubbies, so you could store your printer paper. You could even put valuables in the file cabinet because it has 3 drawers that you can actually lock. And my daughter absolutely loves it. It does have a lot of pieces to assemble, and yeah, that's not what I do. So I leave that to my boyfriend, who is a pro at putting together furniture. So we are going to put it all together and then we will come back and I'll show you how it looks in my daughter's home office. So this is the file cabinet all put together and my daughter absolutely loves it. I love it as well. I think it complements her work from home office very well. As you can see, her desk has a modern wood top with a black metal leg. So this file cabinet goes great with that table, and it gives her tons of storage as well. So the file cabinet has plenty of storage and it came with 3 sets of keys. So if you want to lock your drawers, you can. It has 2 regular drawers, and this drawer is a file cabinet, perfect for any home office. So I would like to thank Yita Home for sponsoring today's video. I will leave a link for them down below, as well as a link for this file cabinet and a 10% off coupon code, so you can go get your own Yita file, or get your own Yita Home file cabinet. So let's take one last look, and I hope to see you in the next one.